have you ever heard of toasted leg syndrome? From laptop computers to heating pads and car heaters, the hidden danger that could be causing you major harm. Join the conversation tonight at lxnewyork.com. Our doctor is here to answer your questions.
Lx New York starts right now.
Yeah, everybody come along.
Now let's switch gears to talk about something called, maybe appropriately enough, hot leg syndrome. Have you ever worked with your laptop computer on your lap? It may be where it gets its name, but new medical reports say the heat from the machine can actually be dangerous. Dr. Monica Halem of Columbia Doctors Eastside is here now to discuss this new warning. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, it's great to be here.
Toasted leg syndrome or hot leg syndrome, what is that?
Right, so the real name, the real medical name is actually called erythema, meaning redness, ab igni, and that's the medical term. And basically what happens is it's characterized by some
really
red
awful looking
and brown wavy pigmentation that is caused by chronic inflammation from heat and low-level radiation.
Oh, and a laptop can actually cause this?
Actually, laptops release low-level radiation and heat. If you keep a laptop on your legs long enough, it'll be hot.
So what are you suggesting that for something like this, we should be using this as a, this kind of a bridge between the laptop and our legs?
And your skin. You want to have some kind of a barrier in between your laptop and your skin.
Is this cumulative?
It is cumulative, so it takes several months to years for it to actually happen, but the longer you get exposed, the more likely you are to have it happen.
Well, we're looking right now at pictures of right and wrong ways, so what do you do about it? Because it would seem to me that you just have to stop using a laptop and kind of let it cure itself.
Well, if you do develop it, there's really no cure for it. So the best thing to do is to prevent it from happening. So
there's no cure?
There's no cure for it. So
what does that mean?
Yeah, meaning that once the skin changes, it'll stay that way.
Really? And is there an ultimate threat of something like skin cancer from it?
Exactly. So just like radiation from the sun, radiation from the laptop, or heat, that's a chronic heat source, can cause skin cancer.
I want to talk about a few other things that could be dangerous along these same lines. You talk about heaters, hot water bottles, car heaters. Something I do, I frequently will take a heating pad to bed, like to warm the bed up at night, that sort of thing. That's not a good idea.
It's not a good
Heating
idea.
blankets, open fires.
Right. And especially during the winter time when we use these things, we want to feel nice and warm and toasty. We don't realize that the chronic heat is actually not a good thing for our skin.
Space heaters in your office. If your office is cold, you keep those by your legs. That's a problem too.
Right. We often sit down and have the space heaters right there, and we can be like that for 4 or 5 hours.
Okay, you say there are some ways to prevent this. Sit 3 feet away from a heater or an open fire of some sort. Also, a hot water bottle.
You want to make sure that the hot water bottle is not in direct contact with your skin. So maybe you want to put a towel down. The other thing you want to do is maybe move around and not really sit in one position at one time. And if you start to see the redness happening, then you want to actually stop.
And you look at this one, this third one about an electric blanket. You have to worry about them too?
So same thing, it's that chronic source of heat.
Oh man. All right, so you're going to stick around and answer questions because there's a lot more to talk about with this and all kinds of other skin issues. Right. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Toasted leg syndrome. And the best thing to do is to make sure your laptop
is not touching your skin.
Okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Don't forget you can log on to lxnewyork.com now to ask the doctor all of your skincare questions. Then, after the break, stop, collaborate, and